Alright, the purpose of this video today is to show you what the different applications do on the VSeeBox. Depending on the model you have, you're going to have more, you're going to either have the same amount of applications that we do here, or you're going to have more. We just have the V6 Max. It's just got the 4 applications here. Assuming that you just received and set up your device, you're probably going to want to download these if not already done. Just click through each one of them, download them. We're going to start with the Heat Live. So this one is for your live TV. If you hit the OK button, it's going to pull up this style guide where you've got your national TV, your local TV, sports, Canadian, Latino, Paramount Plus, Peacock TV, and then even more sports. I like UFC, and so this pay-per-view is where you're going to find all of those UFC fights. It looks like it's also got some like NASCAR racing or something like that. So it's got kind of all kinds of stuff. You can kind of just scroll through here and see what kind of interests you. If you click the EPG button on your remote, it pulls up this style guide, so you can kind of see what's coming up within the next couple hours and browse that way. So just kind of click around, don't be afraid to press things, explore, see what everything does. Next up, we are going to do the Heat VOD. This is going to be all of your Netflix shows, Hulu shows, all of your streaming, Amazon, stuff like that. So here it gives you like the daily recommended movies or TV shows. You got movies, TV series, you've got this history function, and a help function. Let's say we want to watch a TV show. It's got your newest ones, so these are TV shows that just came out. So you can kind of browse through here, see what shows have released new seasons or new episodes, see what are new shows entirely, kind of browse through there. On the side, it's broken down by genre. So you can kind of search, if you're looking for a comedy, you can kind of search for, like funny shows. If you're into crime, documentary, history. And if we go up to the top here, if we go to all, you can see at the very top, it's got 15,648 shows. So there's a vast number of shows. This Marshall's just came out a couple days ago, so you can check that out. You can filter by year, genre, TV series rating or release date. You've got the search function at the top. At each application at the top there's going to be a search function. You can either speak into it or type. I'm going to search up Stranger Things. So I'm going to speak into it, but allow access to the mic. Stranger Things. And there it comes up. It's got, it starts from, season 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And something, kind of goofy with this is the first episode is always going to be to the right. Instead of having it be the first one that you see, you're going to have to go to the right. I'm not going to play any of these just to protect myself with copyright issues, but if you were to want to watch any of these episodes, you would just click it and it would pull right up. And I'll just show you the movies. Same thing here. It's filtered by newest. Sometimes you'll even get movies that are still in theaters. If you go to the all, you can see we've got 45,107 movies. So again, amazing collection of film as well. Next is the VOD Ultra. This is going to be basically the exact same thing as the Heat VOD, but this one is broken up by streaming site. I'll show you once we load in. So this one's again got your recommended movies and shows. It's got the history. It's got a search function here, so you can just search either movie or TV series. You can search it all. And it's got your favorites. So in this one, when we go to the TV series, you can see it's broken by Amazon, HBO Max, Netflix, Peacock, Paramount Plus, Hulu, and so on, Disney Plus, Stars, Fubo, Discovery Plus, and so on. And so if you want to watch a show, let's say Stranger Things again. Stranger Things. Here you can see it's a Netflix show. If we search up a show that is on multiple streaming sites, Love After Lockup. So this Love After Lockup show that we have been enjoying watching, you can either pick Peacock or Roku. You just pick whichever one you prefer. Let's do the Peacock one. You can see it's got 6 seasons. You can just scroll to the bottom and then scroll to the first episode, start watching, and it'll automatically, at the end of each episode, it'll automatically start going to the next episode. One thing with that is once you get to the end of the season, you're going to manually have to go back to this screen. You're just going to hit the exit button, and then you'll have to go to the next season, first episode next season. But that's really not that big of a deal. So again, you can kind of just look at, like if you're looking for like a new Netflix show because you like their production, you can kind of scroll through what they're coming out with recently. And then it's the same thing with the movies. And finally, we'll do the backup by Heat. So this is going to be the exact same thing as the Heat Live. But if for some reason the Heat Live goes down or isn't functioning, you can use this backup by Heat. And this is the exact same thing. I think it just has a little nicer appearance. But you can see it's got national, local, sports, Canadian, Latino. So it's got all the exact same things. It's just if one or the other is not functioning, you can click on whichever one is at the time. And if you're looking for specific tips and tricks, check out my page. I've got videos on each of the applications and also troubleshooting things that you may run into. So I'll see you in the next video.